Welcome to another lesson that is part of the TI-30XPlus MathPrint student course. In this lesson, we will be covering fraction calculations. To calculate the value of 2/3 minus 1/5 in classic mode, type the following. Note that the result is displayed in decimal format. Press the Answer toggle key to display the answer in fraction format. To calculate the value of 2/3 minus 1/5 in MathPrint mode, use the fraction bar key as follows. If there are mixed numbers in a calculation, using MathPrint mode, enter the mixed number using the second key and then the 7 key, as this example shows. Finally, in MathPrint mode, continued fractions can easily be entered with the repeated use of the fraction bar key, as follows. That's it for this lesson. Thank you.